Today I'm going to show you guys how to fold 3 accessories, and at the end of the video I'm going to combine it into an outfit. So first here we have some glasses or sunglasses. They're pretty cool. Only need one piece of printer paper, 11 by 8.5 inches. The second thing is this modular origami crown, which is 10 pieces of paper, but I used 4 pieces and split it up and got the colors equally. This is definitely the hardest one of the 3, but the third one is very hard to put on, and that's this origami bracelet. And I'm going to show you how to put it on right now, but it gets hard. Pretty much you just put the smaller side into the larger side, but I'll explain it better later on in the video. So first we're going to do the sunglasses. Very, very simple. Pretty cool, pretty simple. Let's try them on. By the way, you might need to adjust the whatever these are called a little bit because some people's heads are bigger. I had to move back a little. Anyway, let's try them on. I like them. They're pretty fire. Yeah, so one more thing to note. The glasses are really hard to put on if you don't like put this thing in your ear first. So when you put it on, slide it in the ear, slide this one in the ear, and then just let it rest. And that's the easiest way to get it, and then adjust after, okay? So in case you're wondering, I know it's a little hard to put on. So the next fold we're gonna make is a crown, right? It's the crown, and you actually need 9 pieces of paper for that. And also the paper needs to be durable and, you know, kind of stiff. So what I'm using right here is called taint. It's or taint, either one. It's origami paper that's really tough. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. Anyway, I'm just gonna split these into squares real quick. So now I have 5 of each color. I think black and white looks really good on this one, so I'm gonna use that. Now I'm gonna show you how to fold one module. You're gonna have to do it 10 times. Alright, boom, I made all 10. Now we're gonna start assembling. This kind of looks like a bug. Anyway, the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna link all 10 together in a straight line first. I'll show you how to do that right now. The last part's a little hard, but not really. When you're done, you can just go around the whole thing and kind of try to curve it around, make it look more like a crown with your fingers. Now we can add this to the collection. You make a little crease mark up here, and the crease mark is gonna be as thick as you want the bracelet to be. I want mine to be about that thick, so I'm gonna fold it like that. You're gonna flip it over, and then you're just gonna make it as thick as you want it to be. Try to make it so the thing on the end is like even on both sides. So to put it on, you're gonna want to look at which side is smaller, and for me it's this side, and then you're gonna put it around your wrists, and then you're gonna take the smaller end and you're gonna poke it in the top of the middle, this end, the bigger end. It's a little tricky, it might slip out a few times. Okay, it's a really hard thing to do, but with a lot of practice and when it gets used to the curvature of your hand, you can easily put it on. Now that we all walled 3, the look is complete. Let's assemble. Yeah, it worked. We have it. All 3 pieces, the same fit. Origami fits. Subscribe for more. I hope y'all liked the video. See y'all in the next one. Love y'all.